Here I am at the Elks Club, registration for the car show. Follow the arrows through the RV parking area. There's the cars. So here I am, parked, ready for the show. Gonna clean things up a little bit. My 1931 Ford Model A pickup. Looks good out here. And with the even lighting, cloudy skies, all vehicles look great.
The host gets half and you get the other half if they draw your ticket.
Guys, on a mission. Extra. Still trying to get Sandy to stop the Irish. I did it for 2 years. Since I saw you last year. Yeah, you know that.
Of all the darn things. And go down to a creek, at least so it's the worst possible. Lands in hand.
There's Joe's. More cars coming in for the show. So woody, beautiful. Good attendance today.
Should have seen it in color. No secret in the middle bit was wrong. I tell you, gonna ain't got him again. It looked like we were scared to death.
judges checking out the vehicles. Don't want to influence them, but mine's the best. Not really, but it's one of many beautiful vehicles here. All right.
Another note is good color. I like green. I like green.
He's taking notes, but I saw his notes are little
They're cryptic.
doodles. Yeah. Well, that was a fun visit by the royalty.
Here you are, brother.
Thank you.
Quite a line of hungry participants.
Burger. And a chips and soda. $7.
I'm still sitting under my blanket. Thank you very much.
Hanging out with the gang here. We just ate our lunch. Sun's out. Everything's gleaming and glistening. It's just beautiful. Colors really pop with the sun.
Who knew it was going to be Crystal Rock?
It's like a boat.
So $286 to the winner. So if you bought red tickets, please fish them out of your pockets. 5813.
Oh, good.
Some raffle items and some gift certificates. And this ticket's going bye-bye. 5813. It's garbage. Sorry, you were too slow. Moving on. Next ticket. 5497.
You got a wiener.
Pays to keep those tickets. Hey, right there. Look at the nice lady. Look at the boss. All right, now just as cool, you can win some prizes.
Someone's busting the party.
Ticket number 5478. Ticket number 5695. Nope.
Well, it's not happening for me, but I'm okay with that. Irrigation royalty.
So the Sequim Irrigation Royalty selected one of your vehicles, and you'll be awarded this beautiful sash that says Sequim Irrigation Court Best Car Award 2025, and they selected car number 86.
86.
86.
Car 86!
That's an awesome car.
I'd like to thank everybody that came today. People just come to look. People that actually have cars and sharing them with us. We'll take a big round of applause for everybody that came today. Without you people coming and making this happen, we wouldn't have anybody to show the cars out here. Third year consecutively. Another big round of applause for everybody that made a donation that we got to raffle off. A lot of volunteers that made this happen today.
Yeah.
So another big round of applause for them. Let's get a big round of applause for the Jimmy Hoffman Band. They are doing this out of the kindness of their heart because we are ran on volunteerism. We are taking donations, which is very helpful because we're trying to send them to the American Idol, but just to get Jimmy some singing lessons. We're very heavily involved in youth. We like to hand out scholarships and help them grow up and be proper, productive people in our society. Veterans, we're big with veterans. We love veterans. Americanism, yes, big round of applause. Americanism is what we run on. Because let's do some awards here. Where are you at? Hold these up. Let's get Vanna back out here. Best car awards gonna go to car number 32, George McMurray. George McMurray. There he is. I see him. 1950 Fiat Topolino. Topolino with a P, not an M. Number 81. It's Doug Leeprint. About as clean as the day it came off the showroom. Might have already left, I've heard.
Yeah.
Okay, there's Ken. He wants his sash. You got the Irrigation Festival Award. Look at how happy he is. I love it. There it is. There it is. Show us some light, Ken.
For the Woody.
Can we get a
Thank
photo
you.
with the Royals? Oh,
Yeah,
yes,
absolutely.
please. Yes. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Number 84, Mike Heiss.
All right, let's take a picture in front of the car.
The Lenny Strauss Award for the Route Routers. Milham, number 90, Kyle Milham. So now we got the People's Choice Awards. Rick Myers, number 57. People's Choice Award winner at this year's 3rd annual Elks Lodge Car
35
and
Ford
Bike
pickup.
and Truck Show. Thank everybody for coming. We're gonna try to get Jimmy and his band to come back because we probably haven't got enough to get him to American Idol yet, but he's striving. He's striving.
That was a wonderful car show. Beautiful machines. Turned into be a nice day. Burgers and dogs were really tasty. And a lot of great people, volunteers. It was fun. Time to start up the A and head on home.